This is the WJTS News. In the news tonight, Indiana COVID-19 update. Nursing home in Odin suffering COVID-19 outbreak. Protesters at Governor Holcomb's state mansion. Also, Kirk Uxall will be in with sports. All this and more coming up on 18 WJTS News. Good evening. I'm Jenna Schaffer with the news. Memorial Hospital and Healthcare Center in Jasper has updated its COVID-19 dashboard. As of Monday morning, 251 tests have been submitted. 223 negative results have been submitted. 7 test results are pending. 16 positive results are in Dubois County. Please remember, a patient's address will determine what county reports the positive case, not the county where the test was administered. For more information, visit mhhcc.org. Indiana's COVID-19 numbers have been updated. As of Monday morning, the Indiana State Department of Health is reporting 569 deaths, 11,686 positive cases, and 64,639 individuals have been tested for the virus. Here are the numbers for our viewing area. Dubois County has 16 cases, Spencer with 4, Pike with 1, Perry County has 6, Martin with 5 cases, Davies with 38 cases and 7 deaths, Orange County with 34 cases and 4 deaths, Crawford has 13 cases, Posey with 7, Lawrence with 81 cases and 9 deaths, Gibson with 5 cases, Warwick with 59 cases and 4 deaths, Vanderburgh has 87 cases and 1 death. To see a map of cases by county, you can head to in.gov/ISDH. Also, in a statement released Saturday morning, members of the Dubois County Health Department have tested positive for COVID-19. These employees have and are self-isolating and are not hospitalized. Once the Dubois County Health Department was notified by the first positive individual, numerous measures with guidance from ISDH and CDC were implemented to minimize the risk of exposure to other employees. These included enhanced cleaning and sanitizing of high-contact surfaces, further social distancing, providing cloth face coverings for employees, and enhancing employees' capabilities to work from home. Ketchum Memorial Nursing Center in Odin recently had more COVID-19 results come in. The Davies County Healthcare Facility reported yesterday 4 reported deaths due to COVID-19, with 19 residents and 11 staff members testing positive for the virus. Residents and staff are currently in quarantine, and the CDC has been notified. Ketchum Memorial Nursing Center says that they will continue to provide updates daily. A southwestern Indiana hospital has begun fitting newborn babies with tiny plastic face shields to protect them from the coronavirus. Berry Global, the Evansville-based plastic packaging company, delivered a working prototype to Deaconess Women's Hospital on Tuesday. The next day, the hospital began using the shields. They expect to have around 100 on hand. Berry Global CEO Chris Ryan says they are doing anything possible to shield babies from exposure to the virus, given that newborns are susceptible to airborne germs when they travel around the hospital in an open bassinet for routine postnatal procedures. The Dubois County Job Board has now officially launched. Launched by GradGrid, the Dubois County Job Board is a way to connect residents of Dubois County and surrounding counties with open opportunities from local employers. GradGrid is a hometown professional network with the goal of empowering hometowns with the natives of the community and the local industry. Jasper natives and GradGrid co-founders Noah Bobble, Donald Boo, and Luke Hoaksong say that they've already had plenty of feedback regarding the job board, with over 100 jobs already listed on the site. 24-year-old Hoaksong had this to say.
and when we've heard this from several people already, it's the most comprehensive listing of opportunities from employers in and around Du Bois County.
The Du Bois County Job Board is a relatively new thing, with ideas generating as early as last month. Hoke Song says that he and his team reached out to several employers and community partners in the area to inquire about employment opportunities.
Over this last year and a half that we've had Grad Grid running, we've really been trying to help local companies connect with talent that has roots right here in Du Bois County. One thing we've heard from employers over and over again is that given there was a, roughly 3% unemployment rate in Du Bois County, many employers would tell you that they've faced some challenges in finding people to hire in the past.
However, with the COVID-19 global pandemic happening and unemployment numbers going up, along with some companies still in operation, Hoke Song says that they wanted to help both sides.
Help employers who are looking for talent to hire, as well as help people who might have been impacted by COVID or just been looking for a career change.
The Du Bois County Job Board can also help people outside of Du Bois County.
While it would be kind of a double whammy to both help out a Du Bois County resident and a Du Bois County business, by finding somebody outside of Du Bois County who is still interested in taking a job in Du Bois County and in contributing to our economy, definitely something that we see as being a positive outcome.
Not only can those seeking employment head to gradgrid.org/jobs to find a job, employers can head there as well to post a job opportunity that they have open. Well, GradGrid did spearhead this operation. Hoke Song made it known that this was a community effort.
It really was able to be accomplished through other groups reaching out to businesses submitting jobs, other groups kind of sharing the news about it being a tool. So,
a coalition of businesses and environmental groups want state officials to halt planning work on a proposed highway from the Ohio River to Interstate 69 here in southern Indiana. The Indiana Department of Transportation has proposed 5 possible routes for the Mid-States Highway from near Rockport north through the Jasper area, then on to I-69. Opponents argue the project shouldn't be advanced while the public is focused on the coronavirus outbreak. They also maintain that a new highway would damage forests and caves. Project spokeswoman Mindy Peterson says no planning delays are expected and that the highway has been discussed for many years. Junior Achievement of Southwestern Indiana is releasing a free resource for teens entitled Making Sense: Understanding the Financial Impact of COVID-19. The guide is designed to answer teens' questions about the economic implications of COVID-19, including why are some store shelves empty? Why are some people losing their jobs? And are we going into a recession or even a depression? The guide is available at ja.org/making sense. The guide is written with middle school and high school students in mind. It uses examples to explain what a recession is, how the Federal Reserve works, and steps being taken by government and the private sector to deal with the economic impact associated with COVID-19. JA is also offering free resources to teachers and parents who may have students finishing school online this semester. These resources are available at ja.org/tomorrows. The Indiana Department of Transportation announces a lane closure for a bridge resurface project near Plainville. Beginning on or around Monday, April 27th, contractors will close one lane of State Road 57 to resurface the bridge spanning Hannah Creek. The deck will be receiving a new driving surface as a part of this operation. During the project, one lane will remain open at all times. Traffic will be controlled by temporary signals placed near Hanley Street and East County Road 900 North. The restriction will be in place around the clock. The open lane will be restricted to 19 feet. Loads wider than that should seek an alternate route. Work is expected to last until late August, depending upon weather conditions. NDOT urges drivers to slow down and stay alert near crews. Indiana residents are lending a hand in a national initiative that aims to link medical workers up with recreational vehicle owners willing to loan their RVs to nurses, doctors, and first responders wanting to protect their families from the coronavirus. Shelley and Milton Trent are loaning their 31-foot travel trailer to an emergency room doctor in Harrison County. The residents of southern Indiana's Georgetown connected through a Facebook group called RVs for MDs to fight the coronavirus. The group was created last month and has grown to include more than 27,000 members across the country. More than 200 people upset over restrictions on Indiana residents because of the coronavirus protested Saturday outside the state mansion of Governor Eric Holcomb. They want him to back off and restart the economy. People carrying signs and American flags stood close together along the street outside the home in Indianapolis. Cars passing the scene honked in support, although the rally wasn't as large as a similar event Wednesday in Michigan. One sign said, "If Holcomb's job is essential, everyone's job is essential." Holcomb says a stay-at-home order that expires today will be extended to May 1st while he works on a plan to reopen businesses. We'll take a look at your weather forecast when we come back on 18 WJTS.